Greetings, my people. Greetings. Stephen Hutcherson here. I would just like to give you a brief overview of the three immutable, irrefutable financial principles that I have discovered through my research and through my experiments. I'm not rich. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a billionaire. None of that. I am self-employed at this point, and headed towards building my financial foundation. I've been a tax preparer for 10 years. So I have had some time to actually study, pay attention, and learn a lot. So I just want to share that with you. It's actually immutable. I'd like to correct that. So these are the three immutable, irrefutable financial principles. The first principle is accumulation. So basically, what we are discussing here is what should be done with money? What should we do? What can we teach our children as well to do with money? So the first thing is the principle of accumulation. Money is meant to be accumulated, not meant to be spent. And of course, we do spend and we have to spend money, but that's not the real purpose of it. The purpose of money is to accumulate. Okay, so we want to go into the accumulation phase, and then there are different ways in which we can accumulate money. Most people work jobs, but we also have options there. The second principle is investment. Money is meant to be invested. Actually, investing, technically speaking, is not an option, not for money. It's like, is hammering nails an option for a hammer? Yeah, you could use a hammer for many purposes. You could use it as a weapon, but that's not really what it's made for. It's made for hammering nails and for building things. So money is made to be invested. That's its natural habitat. And the third principle is entrepreneurship, which means to create a business, to create a system whereby you can earn money through your own creation, through your own creativity, through your own ownership. So these are the fundamental basic principles I just want to introduce and share to you today. And you can leave your comments, and then we will carry on from here to the next stage. So thank you very much for your time and for your interest. Be powerful.